Imagine being forced out of your job due to a social media campaign led by a far-right activist, only to be reinstated weeks later. This is exactly what happened to Dr. Vinay Prasad, the Indian-origin vaccine chief of the FDA, who was at the center of a controversy that sparked a heated debate about the intersection of politics and science. But here's where it gets interesting. Dr. Prasad's return to the FDA has been met with criticism from some, including Laura Loomer, who called it an egregious decision. So what led to Dr. Prasad's initial exit, and what does his reinstatement mean for the FDA and the Trump administration? Let's dive into the details. Dr. Prasad, who was born and raised in Ohio and Chicago to Indian immigrant parents, had been a prominent figure in the medical community, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. As an outspoken critic of vaccines and mask mandates, he gained a significant following, but also faced backlash from some quarters. When he was appointed to lead the FDA's Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research in May, it was seen as a surprise move by many. However, his tenure was short-lived as he was forced to resign in July after Laura Loomer led a campaign against him, highlighting his critical comments about President Donald Trump and his decisions to deny drug approvals. But what's striking is that Dr. Prasad's rehiring suggests that the Health Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., and the FDA Commissioner, Dr. Marty Makary, still wield significant influence within the Trump administration, enough to bring back someone who had previously expressed disdain for the president and his followers. And this is the part that most people miss. Dr. Prasad's return to the FDA is not just about his personal views or his decisions as a regulator, but also about the broader implications for the agency and its relationship with the Trump administration. As the FDA continues to play a critical role in the COVID-19 pandemic, Dr. Prasad's reinstatement raises important questions about the balance between science and politics. For instance, how will his return affect the FDA's approach to vaccine approvals and mask mandates? Will his presence influence the agency's decisions on these critical issues? These are questions that we should be asking, and ones that highlight the need for transparency and accountability within the FDA. But here's the controversy. Some argue that Dr. Prasad's reinstatement is a clear example of the Trump administration's willingness to prioritize loyalty over science, while others see it as a necessary move to bring back a qualified regulator who can help the agency navigate the complex landscape of vaccine development and approval. So, we want to hear from you. Do you think Dr. Prasad is the right person for the job? Prasad's reinstatement is a step in the right direction, or a misguided decision that prioritizes politics over science? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the COVID-19 pandemic, it's essential to have open and honest discussions about the role of science and politics in shaping our response. By examining the controversies surrounding Dr. Prasad's reinstatement, we can gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, and work towards creating a more informed and nuanced conversation about the issues that matter most.